Hello there! So today we thought we gonna do a more fun video, and if you've watched Dragon Ball Super you might probably know C18 or Android number 18. I think she's really cool and so my boyfriend does too. Yeah, we were also inspired by her fashion style and we really liked this tracksuit she wore at the Tournament of Power at Dragon Ball Super. So we were looking for a tracksuit like hers for a while and finally I found a similar one, and then a bit later my boyfriend came up with the idea to cut my hair shorter. Here's my hair. I was not sure, but then I thought, yeah, okay, whatever, I do it, it's time for a change. So yeah, we're gonna cut my hair off today. I thought when I cut my hair off anyway and I have this tracksuit, it would be fun to do like a C18 transformation. Following steps are needed for that. Step 1, getting unconditional stamina and unrivaled martial arts skills. So we're gonna go through very hard, painful and exhausting training just for 10 minutes or so. And step 2 is physical appearance, so hair, makeup and clothing. So let's get started. My face is so red. We are very exhausted and we're having lunch now. Actually, I'm on a smoothie diet, so I have here self-made smoothie in here with beetroot and berries and kale and mango. He's making some noodles. He said I need carbs as well because otherwise I will die. My hands are already red. Now the hair. Let's do this. First step to get closer to C18's look is to cut your hair off. So we'll do it now. I make like 2 ponytails for safety reasons, so it won't get shorter than this for sure. I think at first I will not go that short like her haircut, like Android 18's haircut. I want to be careful and at first do like maybe this length and then we'll see if I will cut shorter. So we cut it off in between that. Okay, I'm ready. A very new, high quality hair scissor from the drugstore. I allow you to do it above this tube. 9! Oh nein!
Guck's an. Ich hab dich lieb, egal wie du aussiehst. Ich kann das nicht.
Oh babe!
That's fine. Oh.
That sound.
Yeah. Oh.
Ta-da!
Hey! You look so mature. Oh my god!
I thought when I cut it short, it will look either very childish or very mature. So, I don't know. I'm a bit scared that if I do like chin length, that my face would look even rounder than it already is. That's the result for now. We decided to make it even a little bit shorter.
Ja, genau.
Okay.
Vielleicht nicht alles über so.
But I'll fix it by myself then. Oh, thank you.
Very mature.
Okay, let's move on with the makeup. Let's start with putting on some sunscreen, just because it's important. So C18 has a very pale light complexion. So the lightest foundation I have here now is the Heira UV Mist Cushion in the shade C21. So I hope that's light enough. I mean, Korean cushions, there are often no lighter shades than 21, so I don't have anything lighter than that. I mean, here I've burnt myself on a curling iron, so I have to cover up that as well. I think the shade 21 fits my skin quite well. It's a bit lighter than my forehead, but my skin is a bit lighter here and there it fits very well. So there are a lot of girls who are paler than me, and 21 is the lightest shade, so... Now I'm gonna use this concealer by the Saem in the shade 01. I'm gonna cover up my dark circles and my burn scar. So I'm using a cushion puff to blend it into the skin. Now I go over with the light powder, and I hope this gives me an even more pale skin complexion. And also to mattify everything a little bit. Now I'm gonna use an eyeshadow primer. Now I'm gonna work on the brows. So she has very light blonde brows. I have this dip brow from NYX in the shade blonde. And at first I will fill in my brows with this. And then I'll take some concealer. I'm gonna use a spoolie and like dip it in a little bit. And now I'll go through my brows with this. So the color we filled in the brows before, it stays on your skin. This way you can keep the shape you filled in your brows, but it makes your hair just lighter. I think that's her brow shade. Maybe I'll go in with the light concealer to fix the shape. She has like lids that are wider on the inner side and then they go together at the outer corners of the eye. I don't want it to make it look too unnatural, so I'm not gonna draw a line there. I will only try to shade it a bit so it looks like I have a slight crease maybe. It's hard when you have very puffy monolids. Maybe I put on some concealer over it. She got a thin eyeliner above on her lid and just on the sides. Because I have puffy monolids, the eyeliner is gone when I look up. So I think I'm gonna draw the eyeliner thicker, so you can still see it when I look up. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to put in my contact lenses, so I do it now because I'm very bad in putting in contact lenses. I have to do it before I do my makeup actually, to not mess everything up, so I'm right back. Do I look like C18 now with my contacts in? She doesn't really have lips. I'm gonna use a nude lip color. I'm smudging it just to make it look more natural. Now for the hair, I'm taking the straightening iron and just straighten it. And now on the front of her hair it kind of goes upwards and then it flips over, so I'm trying to fix this upwards now. Oh, I forgot to put on some lashes. Oh no. While it dries, I'm gonna put on some lashes. She also only does have lashes in the outer corners of the eyes. Just gonna use some little snippets, pushing it a little bit upwards so you can see the lashes over my thick eyeliner. Let's see how this turn out? Her hair flips over like to front. Yeah, I think that's fine here. Okay. So that was my C18 or Android 18 transformation. I know it wasn't 100% accurate, but nevertheless it was a lot of fun, especially the fighting scenes. And I hope you enjoyed it too. And a big thanks to my boyfriend who trained me and made crazy stunts for this video. And also I want to thank my boyfriend's stepmother who helped us with filming. Yeah, I think that's all. So if you like to, you can subscribe to this channel and leave a like. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!